Seated on your light cycle at all times. Keep restraints securely fastened. Supervise young team users. Users, prepare to be digitized into the world of TRON.
Team Blue, welcome to the grid. Proceed to gates. Initiate light cycle run upload sequence in 3, 2, 1, go. Welcome to TRON Light Cycle Run, the ultimate competition on the grid. Before proceeding to the sync chamber, all members of Team Blue must prepare. All users must secure large items, including backpacks, purses, and hats, in the locker portal before entering the grid. Lockers are just ahead. To open a locker portal, tap your digital key to the illuminated activation code. Please be considerate of other users and only use locker space that are part of requirements. Remember your unit number. You will be piloting a specially modified light cycle. When the gate opens, follow your path on the floor. You are assigned the bar vehicle. You must walk behind the light cycle. Remove phones, glasses, and other items that may fall off, and secure them in the storage area with a handlebar. To synchronize with your light cycle, kneel, lean, and pull the handlebars towards you. TRON Light Cycle Run is a thrilling, high-speed roller coaster type ride in the dark, making sharp turns with sudden drops and stops. For your safety, remain seated on your light cycle at all times. Remember to kneel, lean, and pull the handlebars towards you. Supervise young Team Blue users at all times. The competition begins when Team Blue launches across the upload conduit and onto the grid. Your opponents will be there. To win, every member of Team Blue must pass through 8 energy gates before their opponents. Stick together. It's your only hope for victory. In the light cycle run, there are winners and there are losers. Who are you?
I know. Hopefully it won't fall off.
Prepare for Team Blue Light Cycle Run upload sequence. Remember, hold on, keep your head up, and face forward.
Congratulations, users. A championship performance and victory for Team Blue.
That was a lot different than I expected.
No, that's sort of like Space Mountain.
Like Space Mountain and
like that one.
she's still deciding.